In today's video, I'll teach you how to check and close Google Chrome tab on Android phone. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. So checking and closing the tab is actually very simple. Right over here, if you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the square icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to check all of your tabs over here. If you want to close the individual tab, what you have to do is tap on the cross icon that you can see on that particular tab. If you want to close all the tabs, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, close all tabs that you can see at fourth. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, close all tabs and group. Now once you do that, you can see over here all of your tabs will be closed. So that is how you check and close tabs on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.